Now to move ahead with the next question paper, this is 2015 का. 2015 में जिन्होंने एनडीए का पेपर दिया था 2015 के सितंबर में, अभी जो आने वाला इंडिया का पेपर उस टाइम पे 2015 में 9 साल पहले जिन्होंने दिया था उन्होंने क्या दिया था वो हम देखेंगे. सबसे पहला आया सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट. ये ग्रामर का पार्ट है. सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट देखो, हैड शी बीन हंग्री शी वुड हैव डिवॉर्ड द होल लॉट ऑफ इट. नाउ हैड शी बीन हंग्री बिल्कुल सही है, ये इसी तरह लिखा जाएगा. Had she been hungry, अगर उसको भूख लगी होती, had she been hungry, she would have devoured the whole lot of it. So no improvement. Had she been hungry, she would have devoured the whole lot of it. Like if she had been hungry, if हटा दोगे तो आप had उसके पहले लगा दो, if हट जाता है. ये अभी conditional sentences हम लोग करेंगे, उसमें ये चीज कवर होगी. Until you don't finish the work, you won't be given leave. No, until you don't finish नहीं, until के साथ आपको याद होगा negative नहीं लगता है. Until you finish the work. So C is the correct option here. Then you got a third. The names of the defaulters have been cut off the register. No, though you don't cut off names from the register, you strike them off. तो struck off होगा ये. ये थोड़ा vocabulary का भी part है. Grammar के अतिरिक्त ये वाला particular vocabulary से आया है. This is a matter I'd rather not talk about. Absolutely correct. I'd rather not talk about. कि मुझे नहीं बात करनी है उस बारे में. I'd rather not talk about it, or I'd rather not talk about this matter. Or this is a matter I'd rather not talk about. No improvement here. Fifth, only when you left did I sleep. नहीं भाई, only when you left did I sleep. Only शुरू हो रहा है negative adverb से, उसका interrogative structure बनेगा. Only when you left did I sleep. Did I sleep is the main thing. Did I sleep? So fifth, the answer will be B. Now we got ordering of sentences. No, we don't. Now I will be happy if you will buy me apples. No, I will be happy if you buy me apples. If के साथ अगर यहाँ पे future simple है तो यहाँ simple tense होगा. If you buy me apples. 6A. We will do this in conditional sentences. अभी conditional sentences का chapter आएगा, उसके बाद फिर से revise करिएगा आप इसको. वही 2 बार तो साइकिल चलानी पड़ती है because everything is connected to each other. So even if we go in we have to go in a linear manner because we exist in a linear manner. हम time में exist ही linear manner में करते हैं. अब एकदम से मैं उठा के आपको अतीत में नहीं ले जा सकता, पर आप रिवीजन कर सकते हैं. अतीत में जाने का तरीका ये हो सकता है कि आप रिवीजन कर सकते हैं. ये वीडियो दोबारा देख सकते हैं पिछले वाले 2 बार. अगर आप एक बार साइकिल चलाएंगे तो एवरीथिंग विल मेक सेंस देन. ऑलराइट, सो दिस वाज टॉट देयर एंड दिस इज हाउ इट इज एंड दैट इज हाउ इट मेक्स सेंस देयर. एवरीथिंग फिट्स विद ईच अदर देन. ऑलराइट, 7. आफ्टर आई सेव्ड सम मनी आई शैल गो अब्रॉड. सो आफ्टर आई हैव सेव्ड सम मनी, अब यहाँ पे किसी समय के बाद की बात हो रही है. आफ्टर आई हैव सेव्ड सम मनी आई शैल गो अब्रॉड. तो सिंपल perfect present plus the simple future. So again, a part of conditional sentences, have saved. After I have saved some money, I shall go abroad. Can you arrange the car to be ready this evening? Arrange for the car to be ready. Arrange for use होता है, arrange के साथ for. You arrange for something to be something. So can you arrange for the car to be ready? All right. Now but hardly had he reached home. Again भाई hardly देखो negative adverb से शुरू हो रहा है तो interrogative structure उठा रहा है. The auxiliary is coming before the subject. So this is correct. Absolutely no improvement. He is likely to win the elections by the sweeping majority. No beta, not by the sweeping majority. By a sweeping majority. वो एक मात्र majority नहीं है, वो एक बस एक representation है वो majority का. किसी और ने इधर उधर वोट किया होता तो दूसरा representation होता है वो majority का. This is just a sweeping majority. All right, now the 11th. Let's do that. अच्छा, remember in this always try to find obvious pairs. देखो, his uncle always advised his son makes sense. Q से लग रहा है शुरू हो सकता है. Always advised his son हो सकता है ये. Let's see. His uncle who was a self-made man, R से भी शुरू हो सकता है. B भी हो सकता है. His uncle for success in life, P से तो नहीं शुरू होगा. And his uncle to depend on his own efforts, S से भी नहीं शुरू होगा. So it is either up, like let's put RQSP. Let's see. His uncle who was a self-made man always advised his son to depend on his own efforts for success in life. Makes sense? This still makes sense. Now QPSR. His uncle always advised his son for success in life to depend on his own efforts, who was a self-made man. Doesn't make sense. सो बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर। ऑब्वियस पेयर्स के सहारे हम लोग सही आंसर तक पहुंच जाते हैं। ये एक स्ट्रेटेजी है, सबसे पहली स्ट्रेटेजी यही है ऑब्वियस पेयर्स की कि आप ऑब्वियसली देखो क्या आना चाहिए नेक्स्ट। अगर आपकी इंग्लिश ऑलरेडी अच्छी है कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में, अगर वो चीज नहीं है तो ट्राई टू फिगर आउट द एलिमिनेशन की ये तो नहीं ही सही होगा साथ में कि भाई वर्ब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, या जितनी भी चीजें अभी तक ग्रामर में पढ़ाई गई हैं, एडजेक्टिव किसी नाउन को नहीं मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, एडजेक्टिव है तो नाउन नहीं आ रहा है अगला, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, ऑल द ग्रामर education that has been given to you till now, the information that has been given to you, plus the next thing is to practice reading and practice solving such questions. All right, the doctor, let's see the doctor now. What does the doctor do? So the doctor did not like the behavior of the patients. P से शुरू हो सकता है। All right, it can start with P, that the doctor did not like the behavior of the patient. The doctor who was very competent in his profession, it can start with Q as well. The doctor when they talked at length, no. R it cannot start with. The doctor about their problems cannot start with S either. Let's see QPRS. The doctor who was very competent in his profession did not like the behavior of the patients when they talked at length about their problems. Yes, this can still make sense. Now let's try PRQS. The doctor did not like the behavior of the patients when they talked at length. Who was very competent doesn't make sense. R cannot follow Q. The answer has to be C. 12th, C is the correct answer. Alright, let's try 13th. From leadership in culture. So there is no beginning. Again, leadership in culture. Leadership has wide range of expressions in military situations. From leadership in culture to leadership in politics. So you will see P and S are an obvious pair. P and S come together here and nobody else, nowhere else. So let's try C. Let's see R. Leadership has wide range of expressions. From leadership, R. From leadership in culture to leadership in politics, in military situations and in face-to-face small groups. Doesn't make sense. Let's see if we can split P and S. In military situations and in face-to-face small group, leadership has wide range of expressions. From leadership in culture to leadership in politics, in military situation, face-to-face small groups. It does make sense. R, P, S, Q. 13th, C. That is the only one where P and S are coming together. And you have to put P and S together because from and to are obvious pairs. From something to something. Alright. 14th. He sat glancing occasionally, maybe. He sat peering through the window, maybe. He sat at the figure of the old man, woman, no. So can't start with R and it doesn't start with R. He sat until he was chilled with the cold, maybe, until he was chilled with the cold. He sat peering through the window, glancing occasionally at the figure of peering through the window. He sat peering through the window until he was chilled with cold. So he cannot be peering through the window at the figure of the old woman peering through the window. So maybe the old woman was peering through the window. So we have R and Q together perhaps, but there is, alright, R and Q together here and here. Can I start with P? He sat glancing occasionally, maybe. He sat glancing occasionally until he was chilled with the cold. No. He sat until he was chilled with the cold. Yes, he sat until he was chilled with the cold, glancing occasionally at the figure of the old woman peering through the window. So 14th, C makes the most sense. 15th, let's try 15th. After the earthquake tremors, the TV show A Haggard Man, shaking his fist at the sky, clambering over the ruins and collapsing with a howl of revolt of his house and factory. Haggard man clambering over the ruins of his house and factory, shaking his fist at the sky and collapsing with a howl of revolt. So Q and S, clambering over the ruins. Q and S need to be an obvious pair. Q and S are here, and that's it. So after the TV showed A Haggard Man clambering over, so this makes sense. 15B is the only thing that makes sense because that is the only place where Q and S are together. See, clambering over the ruins. Ruins of what? Of his house and factory? Ruins of something. Everyone. Let's see, everyone acknowledges. It can be that everybody acknowledges or everyone who knows you. Everyone when he considers. So Q से शुरू नहीं हो सकता. Everyone that you have been wronged. S से शुरू नहीं हो सकता, हो भी नहीं रहा है. S से R से हो सकता है. R से देखते R S Q P. Everyone who knows you that you have been wrong. No, cannot be R S. Everyone who knows you acknowledges, yes. When he considers the case calmly that you have been wrong, could be. Everyone acknowledges when he considers the case calmly. Who knows you? No. So B is the perfect answer here. Alright. Let's try getting to synonyms now. Synonyms, make sure that you understand similar words, not different words. The first one, garrulous. Many of his acquaintances avoided him because he was garrulous. Garrulous, talkative, verbose. This is also a synonym for it. So he was very talkative. He would waste a lot of time and talk about unnecessary things here and there. Garrulous. He bore the pain with great fortitude. With great fortitude. Yes. So great fortitude. Fortitude means forbearance. With a lot of दृढ़ता और बहुत सारे निष्ठा के साथ. So with great fortitude, बहुत अपने आप को एकाग्र रखते हुए, अपने आप को कंट्रोल करते हुए, and with a lot of, these are the words, fortitude and forbearance, with a lot of courage, we can say, with a lot of integrity, something like that. Close to that. All of these things. Positive. Not resignation, definition and indifference. Defiance and indifference. Alright. He gave his tacit approval to the proposition. Tacit is implied. Implied मतलब silent. कि बहुत ज़्यादा चिल्ला कर नहीं, loud और clean और clear नहीं, implied. कि उसने ना नहीं कहा, इसका मतलब उसने हाँ कहा. तो एक तरह से वो मतलब है इसका. He gave his tacit approval मतलब ना कहकर उसने हाँ कहा. That is what it means. Implied approval. He did not expressly said yes. He did not expressly say yes. All he did was imply that yes, he approves through some other means. Maybe by not saying no or by asking how the result would look like, perhaps. In spite of hard work, the farmers could only get a meager yield. Meager is scanty, very less, small amount of something. So 20B. He was exhilarated at the outcome of the election results. Exhilarated is overjoyed. Excited, very excited, super excited, so overjoyed. Alright, let's come to antonyms now. We'll do a few of the antonyms. Let's say 4 antonyms, 6 antonyms. There are 5 antonyms. Let's just finish with antonyms. अब antonyms में याद रखिएगा ये opposite आपको बताने होते हैं. कभी इसमें गलती से मार्क ना कराइएगा कि antonyms पता करना है और आपको एकदम से excitement हो गया कि आपने कोई वर्ड देखा रहे उसके जैसा ही वर्ड है ये और ये याद है मेरे को कि उसी का मतलब है तो आपने वही मार्क कर दिया. याद रखिए भाई एंटोनिम से एक्साइट ना हो जाइएगा. कभी कभी बच्चों के साथ ऐसा होता है, नया वर्ड भी दिखता है, मुश्किल वर्ड दिखता है और उनको याद आ जाता है एकदम से कि उन्होंने कहीं पढ़ा था ये और कहीं से सीखा था, तो एक्साइट हो जाते हैं और उनको याद आ जाता है कि ये इसका मतलब है, तो वो मतलब ही मार्क कराते हैं. ये भूल गए कि एंटोनिम बताना था उन्होंने एक्चुअली. ही कंसील्ड हिज थॉट्स वेरी क्लेवरली. कंसील्ड मतलब छुपाना, तो कंसील्ड का ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? रिवील्ड. अब एक्सप्रेस भी हो सकता है बट एक्चुअल ऑपोजिट इज रिवील्ड. सो ऑपोजिट ऑफ कंसील्ड इज रिवील्ड. 22nd D. 23rd, the proposal was denounced by one and all. Denounced means it was बहिष्कार किया गया उसका सभी के द्वारा. तो commended हो जाएगा इसका ऑपोजिट यहाँ पे. commended मतलब प्रशंसा करना, कि वाहवाही करना. She was skeptical about the safety of the new drugs. skeptical मतलब थोड़ा प्रश्नवाचक, प्रश्न का चिन्ह लगा हुआ था उस चीज पर, उसको निश्चित नहीं था कि वो सही में सही है कि नहीं है, तो उसकी सेफ्टी के रूप, उसके सेफ्टी को लेकर उसको थोड़े प्रश्न थे. तो शी वाज स्केप्टिकल अबाउट इट. ऑपोजिट ऑफ इट इज सर्टेन. डाउटफुल हो जाएगा स्केप्टिकल. डाउटफुल, स्केप्टिकल, सर्टेन. द आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चन वर कोहेरेंट. कोहेरेंट मतलब दे मेड सेंस, दैट दे वर, देयर वाज अ गुड फ्लो टू इट, देयर वाज अ सीक्वेंस टू इट, एंड every next step seemed to logically follow from the previous one. 25th, the opposite will be disconnected. Consistent, ये सब consistent उसका coherent का synonym हो गया. Disconnected is the exact antonym. It was no altruistic motive that prompted him to help her. Altruistic मतलब जिसमें आप अपना बलिदान देकर दूसरे को बचाते हो, उस भावना को altruistic कहते हैं. तो selfish इसका opposite हो जाएगा. 26th का A. Man has won his dominant position on this planet by his dash of technology. तो one is dominant position. Dominant मतलब वर्चस्व, वर्चस्व वाला जो उसका स्थान है कि बाकी सभी पशुओं के ऊपर जो उसका वर्चस्व है. By his dash of technology. टेक्नोलॉजी पे क्या करके? टेक्नोलॉजी पर कमांड करके. The command of technology. टेक्नोलॉजी पर कमांड स्थापित करके उसने बाकी सब जानवरों के ऊपर अपना वर्चस्व बना लिया. The day was extremely hot and in no time my back was drenched with perspiration. Perspiration मतलब पसीना. 28th, perspiration. The government is encouraging village upliftment programs in the country. So village upliftment programs होते हैं country में. प्रोपेगेंडा होता है बेटा किसी पार्टी के लिए, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का प्रोपेगेंडा होता है कि वो क्या फैलाना चाह रहे हैं न्यूज अपने बारे में कि क्या करेगा क्या नहीं करेगा. ये प्रोग्राम्स है, विलेज अपलिफ्टमेंट प्रोग्राम्स, नॉट टॉक्स नॉट डिजाइंस, प्रोग्राम्स, बिकॉज इट इज इनकरेजिंग. सतीश वॉज एंडाउड विद. अब यू आर एंडाउड विद, एंडाउड मतलब आपको दिया गया है वरदान में, प्रकृति का वरदान इज एंडाउड विद. यू आर एंडाउड विद अ नेचुरल टैलेंट फॉर म्यूजिक. सो सतीश वॉज एंडाउड विद अ नेचुरल टैलेंट फॉर म्यूजिक. टू बी एंडाउड विद मतलब प्रकृति द्वारा आपको वरदान मिला है किसी चीज का, तो एंडाउड के साथ विद लगता है. मिस्टर घोष इज वेरी हैप्पी डैश हिज सन्स एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट. टू सी is very happy to see, is very happy to see, very happy upon seeing, very happy to see. Here we don't have upon seeing, so we can easily identify the to see to be the best option. Mr. Ghosh is very happy to see his son's excellent result. Sunlight filtering through, it filters through. फिल्टर्स थ्रू मतलब उसके पार. स्टेन्ड ग्लास मतलब वो कलर्ड ग्लास होते हैं ना, कांच, कोई नीला, हरा, पीला, लाल, उससे से छन कर जब धूप आती है तो फिल्टरिंग थ्रू मतलब छन कर, के पार, थ्रू के पार. विंडो क्रिएटेड अ मोज़ैक ऑफ कलर्स इन द फ्लो. मोज़ैक मतलब जहां टाइल्स आपने देखी होंगी वो छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों से मिलकर जो टाइल्स बनती हैं, दैट इज व्हाट अ मोज़ैक इज. लाइक अ कोलाज ऑफ पेपर्स ऑन अ चार्ट पेपर इज अ मोज़ैक ऑफ टाइल्स ऑन द फ्लोर. ऑलराइट. Are you feeling doubtful about your decision? So you feel doubtful about something. That is the correct option here. Doubtful about your decision. I want to study geology now. For I have been studying. अब आपको याद होगा for के साथ अगर समय के लिए यूज हो रहा है वो period of time, तो present perfect continuous यूज होगा. और have studied present perfect भी हो सकता है. I have been studying. अब नाउ की बात हो रही है तो have been studying present ही यूज होगा, had studied नहीं होगा. I have been studying zoology for the last 3 years. 34th B. Increase in storage facilities has made it possible to store goods at places convenient to people all over the country. Convenient. Convenient मतलब जहां सहूलियत है. Convenience मतलब सहूलियत. Convenient to people मतलब जहां लोगों के लिए जाना आना या एक्सेस करना जिस जगह को सहूलियत वाला है, इजी है, कंफर्टेबल है, आरामदायक है. To say that we were surprised at the cleverness of the child is an understatement. We were really astounded. Surprised का और बड़ा वर्ड होता है astounded. Astounded आश्चर्यचकित हो जाना, भौचक्का रह जाना. That is what it is. Now 37. In spite of the old woman's repeated entreaties means requests, he remained indifferent. Yes, he remained indifferent. मतलब उसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा कि वो बूढ़ी महिला बार बार उसको रिक्वेस्ट कर रही थी, पर उसके पश्चात he remained indifferent. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, वो जैसा था वैसे ही रहा. There was dash competition for electoral seats. Cutthroat competition. Competition cutthroat होता है, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Cutthroat competition. The cricket team dashed mainly of state players. Consist. The cricket team comprises mainly of state players. All right. So 39 D is the best option. Comprises. Comprises mainly of state players. All right. His love for money is the only dash that drives him to work so hard. Is the only reason. His love for money is the only reason that drives him to work so hard. कि उसका जो धन से, दौलत से उसको जो प्यार है, वो एकमात्र कारण है जो उसको इतना मेहनत करने को उतारू रखता है. रीजन. According to dash sources, according to reliable sources perhaps, the chief minister did not consult his cabinet members on this issue. Yes, reliable resources. Reliable sources मतलब भरोसेमंद सूत्रों द्वारा. तो भरोसेमंद सूत्रों द्वारा बोलोगे reliable sources. Alright, let's do spotting errors now. Is the last bit of it. I am told John is ill since Monday. अभी आपको याद होगा since और for जो यूज होता है वो present perfect, sorry perfect या perfect continuous के साथ यूज होता है. यहाँ पे simple है तो 42 का B is incorrect. You will say I am told John has been ill since Monday. I shall leave school as soon as I find a job. तो ये हम लोग करेंगे अभी कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस में भी कि एक सिंपल फ्यूचर में है तो दूसरा सिंपल प्रेजेंट में होगा. अब सिंपल फ्यूचर से उन्होंने शुरू किया है, ये गलत अपने आप में नहीं है. तो until I as soon as I find a job, तो ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट बनेगा, सिंपल फ्यूचर नहीं बनेगा. He is a rich man. He is owning a number of buildings in. Yes, so he owns. आपको याद होगा कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे थे जो ing फॉर्म में यूज नहीं हो सकते हैं. He owns a number of buildings in Bombay. He is owning नहीं होता. We were able to make it in spite of bad weather. We were able to make it in spite of bad weather. A bad weather नहीं, in spite of bad weather. Weather नहीं. Weather is just a continuous phenomena. You cannot. It is not a countable noun. You cannot say one weather, two weather, three weathers. So you cannot use a with it. You cannot use the indefinite article with it. Neither of the two letters of credit were useful when he needed it. Yes. 46th. Neither of the two letters of credit, you'll remember, neither is a singular, so we cannot use a past for it. Neither of the two letters of credit was useful. Little he realized. We saw adverbs when we start with a negative adverb, we start with an adverb, we use the interrogative structure. Little did he realize. So 47th A. 48th. A difficult syllabus is supposed to hurt juvenile minds. Hurt juvenile minds होगा या a juvenile mind होगा. उसमें mind को आपको either you'll have to make a plural or you'll have to give an indefinite article to it. So 48th is C. Difficult syllable is supposed to hurt juvenile minds or a juvenile minds. The voice of sanity and patriotism are important to dispel the prevailing confusion. So 49th you will see are important. The voice of, so the voice of यहाँ पे subject singular है, voice है, voice of sanity and patriotism देख के आपको लग सकता है plural है, पर main subject word क्या है? Voice. So is important to dispel. The voice of sanity and patriotism is important to dispel the prevailing confusion. And the last one for today, you are going to explain your late arrival. अभी आपको अभी question tags हमने किए हैं. You were, तो जो auxiliary है उसका negative लगता है यहाँ weren't होगा, और जो subject है वही subject आएगा, you होगा, weren't you. You were going to explain your late arrival, weren't you? If you don't remember, please revise subject tag from the previous lecture, and I shall see you in the next one.